Seniors, if you're constantly rubbing your eyes, struggling with blurry vision by afternoon, or relying on artificial tears just to get through the day, I want you to know something right now. This is not just a normal part of aging. You're not supposed to live with dry, irritated eyes. And you're certainly not supposed to accept discomfort as your new daily routine. As someone who has spent decades helping older adults regain clarity and comfort in their eyes, I'm here to tell you that relief is possible. And the answer? It might be sitting right in your fruit bowl. That's right, certain fruits can deeply nourish your eyes from the inside out. They don't just hydrate your body, they target the very tissues responsible for moisture, sharp vision, and protection. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 powerful fruits that have helped hundreds of my senior patients fight dry eye syndrome, restore their natural tears, and protect their vision naturally, safely, and without side effects. I'll also share how to use them daily, real success stories, and important tips to maximize their impact. So please stay with me, because your eyes deserve comfort, and your life deserves clarity. Let's begin with a fruit that might already be in your freezer, the mighty blueberry. These tiny blue orbs are packed with anthocyanins, which are potent antioxidants known to protect the retina, support blood vessels in the eye, and strengthen the tear glands. As we age, oxidative stress, what I often describe to my patients as rust in the body, can attack our tear-producing cells. That leads to chronic dryness and inflammation. But blueberries fight back. They neutralize free radicals and strengthen the delicate tissues around the eyes. I remember Mrs. Eleonora, 74, who used artificial tears 6 times a day and could barely sit through her favorite TV shows without squinting. We added just a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries to her breakfast oatmeal. 3 weeks later, she called to say her eyes felt alive, again less burning, fewer tears, and clearer vision. Blueberries also improve night vision and reduce sensitivity to glare, which is vital for seniors who drive or walk at dusk. Whether you mix them into yogurt, add them to pancakes, or eat them by the handful, blueberries are a senior's best friend when it comes to vision. Next up is a fruit that many overlook but should never ignore: kiwi. It's fuzzy, green, and absolutely packed with vision-saving nutrients like vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are critical for maintaining a healthy tear film, especially as the oil and mucus layers thin with age. When the tear film breaks down, eyes become irritated, blurry, and sore. Kiwi helps restore this balance naturally. It also reduces inflammation in the meibomian glands, those tiny glands in your eyelids that secrete the oil your eyes need to prevent evaporation. Let me tell you about Danny, 69, a retired school principal. He told me, "Doc, it feels like wind is blowing in my eyes all day long." I asked him to eat 2 kiwis every day after lunch, no supplements, no prescriptions. Within 10 days, he noticed less redness. By the end of the month, he was walking in the park without needing to wear sunglasses on cloudy days. He said his eyes felt calm for the first time in years. Kiwi also supports macular health and may slow the progression of age-related vision loss. Try eating it with the skin on 4 maximum nutrients, or toss it into a smoothie if the texture bothers you. Now, Let's talk about a creamy, unexpected hero avocado. Yes, it's a fruit. And yes, it's one of the most powerful tools we have for rebuilding eye moisture. Avocados are rich in omega-9 fatty acids, vitamin E, and carotenoids like lutein, all of which help improve the quality and stability of your tears. When your tears evaporate too quickly, your eyes feel scratchy and irritated. Avocado helps thicken that oily layer that prevents tear loss. I had a patient named Susan, 78, who had been battling dry eyes for over a decade. She was using warm compresses, prescription drops, and everything in between, but nothing brought lasting relief. We added half an avocado to her salad each day. 1 month later, she smiled and said, "It's like my eyes took a deep breath." Her tear breakup time, something we measure with a simple light test, had improved by nearly 40%. Even better, she was able to reduce her dependence on drops entirely. Avocados also help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A and E, which are essential for keeping the cornea and retina healthy. Pair avocado with leafy greens or carrots, and your eyes get double the benefit. And finally, let's not forget citrus fruits, especially oranges. These bright, juicy fruits are loaded with vitamin C and bioflavonoids, which work together to reduce eye inflammation, protect blood vessels, and support the hydration of the entire body, including the eyes. One of the most overlooked causes of dry eyes in seniors is simple dehydration. As we age, we lose our thirst sensation, and the body holds less water. That's a dangerous combination for our vision. Citrus fruits like oranges, tangerines, and lemons don't just quench your thirst, they also deliver antioxidants that protect the lens, reduce oxidative stress in the tear glands, and improve circulation in the retina. I remember George, 81, who told me, "I don't like drinking plain water, and my eyes always feel crusty by morning." We introduced a daily glass of fresh orange juice along with an extra 2 glasses of water per day. Within 2 weeks, his morning discomfort had disappeared. His eyes were less red, less itchy, and far more resilient during allergy season. Just be careful with grapefruit, especially if you're taking medications like statins or blood pressure pills. It can interfere with drug metabolism. But oranges? They're one of nature's finest medicines for senior eyes. Now, while these 4 fruits are powerful on their own, they work best when combined with smart daily habits. For example, drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water each day is essential. Every tear you produce begins with hydration. Using a humidifier in your bedroom can help keep your eyes moist overnight, especially if you sleep with a fan or during winter. Take frequent screen breaks. Use the 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It helps relax your eye muscles and prevents blinking fatigue. Wear sunglasses outdoors to block wind and UV rays that dry out the eye surface. And ask your doctor about supplements like omega-3 South Lutein, or even evening primrose oil if you're not getting enough from food. These can complement your fruit intake and amplify the benefits. Let me also share something crucial: what you should avoid. Certain foods actually worsen dry eyes. High sugar diets spike insulin and inflammation, which damage the tear glands. Caffeine in excess can dehydrate the eyes, so limit coffee to 1 or 2 cups a day and avoid sugary sodas altogether. Processed snacks loaded with trans fats and artificial preservatives can clog your oil glands and worsen dryness. And beware of overly salty foods like chips or canned soups, which pull water from your tissues and leave the eyes parched. Instead, focus on natural hydration, whole foods, and especially the 4 fruits we discussed today. I often tell my patients that food is not just fuel, it's medicine. Every bite you take either fights disease or feeds it. And when it comes to your eyes, the right nutrients can make all the difference. I've seen it time and time again. Seniors who commit to simple changes, say eating fruit, drinking water, protecting their eyes from dry air raffin, experience a transformation they thought was impossible, less reliance on drops, clearer vision, brighter mornings, and more confidence behind the wheel, at the dinner table, or reading their favorite novels. So to recap, eat 1 cup of blueberries daily for retinal protection. Add 2 kiwis a day for tear film restoration. Enjoy half an avocado to thicken the oil layer of your tears. And drink fresh citrus juice to hydrate your eyes and support blood flow. Combine these with simple lifestyle habits, and you're giving your eyes the fighting chance they deserve. Seniors, you deserve to wake up with eyes that feel refreshed. You deserve to read, watch, sew, garden, and live without constant irritation. Don't settle for dry eyes. Take back your comfort with the healing power of fruit. You don't need to overhaul your life. Just nourish your body with nature's gifts, 1 bite at a time. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Health Hackers, and share this video with a loved one, especially someone who might be quietly struggling with their vision and hasn't yet found answers. This is Edgar, and I'm honored to be on this healing journey with you. Until next time, keep your eyes bright, your heart open, and your fruit bowl full.